Okay, today we're going to show you how to change the temperature, get it more hot, or even reduce the temperature if you want to in a Delta. So what you're going to do is first, let's see if I can get my hand out of the way for you. I guess I can't. Okay, so anyway, I got it set up just so you can see it. There's an Allen wrench right there, a hole right there. Okay, stick an Allen wrench in there and unscrew that, get the handle off. Okay, once you've done that, you'll pull that one piece of trim off, which I've already done. It's just a nice cap that goes over this whole thing here. Got that off. Then you want to do is take off this little O-ring. There's an O-ring. Gosh, where'd I go with my hand here? There's an O-ring you can see right there. Okay, take that and pull it up out of the way. All right, then you want to undo the screw right here. Undo the screw a little bit. You don't have to take it all the way out, just enough to where you can slide back a little ways. Okay, as soon as you slide it back, you'll be able to move this blue thing right here. So you want to pull it out, and if you want hotter, you go to the left. Okay, you go counterclockwise. If you want colder, you go clockwise. All right, it actually says hotter and colder right on it. So you just want to take it and go more hot and keep doing it till you like the temperature. You're not supposed to scald yourself, but it should be 125, 130 degrees, whatever, to make a nice hot bath. Okay, so anyway, that's the whole thing. And then when you're ready to push it back, you simply screw that back in, push the O-ring here back down where it goes, and put the stuff back together. That's it. It really is fast. It's simple. Works real well. It's a nice system. So go ahead and do it. If you got any questions, put them down below, and I'll get back to you.